Today, we're going to explore inheritance. Just as children inherit characteristics from their parents, in Java a subclass inherits attributes and methods from its superclass. Inheritance is a mechanism where one class derives properties and behaviors from another class. Let's understand this by an example. Consider how a smartphone is a specific type of computer. It inherits the basic characteristics of computers like processing and storage, but also adds unique features such as touchscreens and cameras. Superclass and subclass are fundamental concepts used to implement inheritance. A superclass is a base class that defines common attributes and behaviors. In the code beside, the superclass animal has an attribute name and a method eat. A subclass is a derived class that inherits from the superclass and can add or modify features. In the code beside, the subclass dog, which uses the extends keyword to inherit the name attribute and eat method from animal. It also introduces its own method bark. In Java, the extends keyword is used when declaring a subclass. It clearly indicates that the new class is inheriting from a specific superclass. For example, in public class dog extends animal, the keyword extends tells Java that dog should inherit all the accessible members from animal. Types of inheritance. Single inheritance. In single inheritance, a subclass inherits from one single superclass. Multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a class inherits from a subclass, forming a chain of inheritance. For example, a dog class might extend a mammal class, which in turn extends an animal class. This means that dog indirectly inherits from animal. Hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, multiple subclasses inherit from a single superclass. For instance, an animal class can be extended by classes such as dog, cat, and bird. Each subclass inherits common features from animal while adding its own unique behaviors. Multiple inheritance. Java does not support multiple inheritance for classes. If Java allowed a class to inherit from two parent classes that both define the same attribute, it would lead to ambiguity, often referred to as the diamond problem, because the compiler wouldn't know which attribute to inherit. To avoid this issue, Java allows multiple inheritance only through interfaces, ensuring that any potential conflicts must be explicitly resolved by the implementing class. Benefits of inheritance. Inheritance allows you to write common functionality once in a superclass and reuse it in multiple subclasses, reducing redundancy in your code. Inheritance also helps achieve polymorphism, which we will learn in next video.